Hey guys, welcome back to the Romanow Show, and today we are looking at what really happened to Mommy Longlegs, cartoon animation. Let's get right into this.
Booyabra.
Ready or not,
Here I come.
this incinerator's
The
off.
last part
Perfect.
of this.
Where are you?
No.
No.
Oh.
You're good at this.
Yes.
Guess I gotta
And
give
then
you the
Poppy
victory.
comes and trades Mommy.
Unless
Does she?
this hurts.
Does she come and trade Mommy?
Mama would be able to burn
If
right
we
next
ever
to
trade
you.
you.
It would be like you would never breathe.
How do you know?
Oh! I knew it. She shredded her. Oh, geez, that's getting really bad.
Did you turn the grinder on? You saved me.
Yeah.
Oh, that wasn't me.
What do
Mommy
you mean?
Longlegs won't be bothering us anymore.
What do you mean by
How
that?
do you know that?
Oh, it's the prototype.
Whoa, what is it?
It's the prototype. Oh, it's the first look about the prototype.
Guns a prototype.
I knew it was a robot.
Happened.
She's still alive?
You failed.
I'm sorry.
Don't be.
Oh
saw
my
my
God,
future
it's
as
the
a power
prototype.
change to be.
It's just an animation.
Soon, you'll have your revenge.
You can always ban YouTube
You're not going to
from
change my
yourself.
body, are you?
Yes, he is.
People have tried that. It's never enough.
I'm not people. Calling this a change is like calling
They're making a Mega Mommy.
They're making a Mega Mommy Longlegs. Oh, they're remaking her with really strong metal?
We can be heroes.
Oh, whoa, this is cool.
She actually kind of looks like a Power Ranger.
She might. And then she puts. Oh! Whoa. Whoa.
What
Is
is
that acid? Oh.
That's to get her
Oh.
new prototype hands.
prototype.
Mommy prototype. Whoa. Whoa. What is happening?
Take your revenge on player.
Whoa. What? Okay,
Here
what's
they have
happening?
a tea party.
Barn.
Yeah, player?
Are you
And
sure
they
your
all
mommy's
get
all the way dead?
married.
Positive.
No, they-
100%.
Yeah. She's not so sure about that. Oh. Whoa. Woo!
Now that you mention it,
I never even jumped.
No, Mommy!
Mommy!
let me, you ow!
You go, oh!
I am perfect.
You Seiko. Oh, go. No, there's green ant. Let's go. No, the green ant.
No, give that back.
Yeah, give it back. Oh, no. Oh, gosh.
Quick, player, pick yourself up. We gotta get moving.
We gotta get moving.
Moving where? She's got us cornered.
Not yet. The Huggies' new emergency
Oh.
exit.
Okay. Huggies emergency exit.
Guess that's one way to make a door.
Come on.
That's Huggy Wuggy's emergency. Oh shoot. Mommy. Mommy. Why are you running away from her? You stole cookies. That's why she after us.
Those are all of their brains.
Bond destabilized the
All of
whole
them.
Unless they go wrong by the
I'll be back up at
prototype.
Mommy's brain before the ceiling falls on us.
Wait.
Alright guys, so we paused it and now we just looked at how they found the Mommy tape. They were gonna put it in so Mommy turned back to normal, the tape. But instead the prototype comes in as like
Green, yellow
and
background.
then the roof falls on Poppy. This is getting really bad. So we're just gonna play
We
it.
have to find the green hand,
Oh.
electrocute her, and her for good. It's the only way.
Alright, so it turns out what happened now she's in the molding room. Mommy Longlegs found him. He was gonna get the green and Mommy Longlegs smashed it. And
I'm
now
just
this
hopping
happened.
downstairs. Boop.
Alright, now we're just gonna play. Oh. So he's behind this
She's
box
got
of
some
blank
kind of
hands. He's
super
gonna use
robot
that as a
vision.
green
She'll
hand.
see me for sure.
Oh, blank hands.
Blank hands?
Hey, little devil.
Look. Just grab the top one.
There you are.
There he is. Uh-oh.
Maybe this is
Well, this is scary.
Hopeless after all.
Your time is up, Vermin!
No.
Stop, please.
Alright, guys, what seemed to happen was, his blue hand's not working. Poppy turned really evil. He electrocuted Mommy with the green hand, and now let's see what happens. Not playing.
Oh, well.
Oh no. Oh my gosh, Poppy, yeah, she turned. Oh!
Stop this, Poppy. I don't want to hurt you. I'm putting you in timeout. Hold still while I think of a solution.
Here's a solution.
What the?
No.
This is
Stop
blue hand.
wasting my time.
Oh god.
Hey, not fair. Just do it already. Don't pretend to be a hero.
Oh.
I knew you had it in you. Hey, hey.
Oh, wait, put the tape in!
Please work. Please work.
It worked.
Claire, what happened?
You survived.
For now, player. For now.
Oh. Okay, guys, that was it. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe. We'll see you all again soon. Bye.